Hi, I'm Vergara-Gongora and welcome to an episode of Exploring the Unknown. This week, I'll be sharing some of the things I always carry with me as a marketing and broadcast student to record stories at any time. To start off, I want to share one of my favorite mini cameras. This camera is so small, and this isn't even the actual camera. This completely fits in the palm of my hand. Other than having a foldable display and recording in 4K quality, it allows you to not only take videos, but take photos, take time-lapse videos, take slow-mo videos, take interval videos. It has some presettings for vlogs, night mode, recording food. I don't really know, I haven't discovered everything yet, but the features this camera has, absolutely insane. I've also loved the attachments that it comes with. So to start off, we have this magnetic mount allowing you to attach this camera to any and all tripods. It also comes with this little circular base where you're able to screw the camera on and actually be able to stick this on to any surface. So for those of you that like to maybe record in your car or something, this attachment has got you. I've also loved this little circular portable magnetic mount where it not only has a sticky side, but obviously the magnetic side, meaning you're able to attach the camera to virtually any surface. One time I even attached this to a lamp pole in Europe to try and take some photos. How it stayed, honestly, surprised me. I've also loved this little necklace that it comes with for any hands-free videos you'd like to record. And then obviously the magnetic quality, this isn't coming off. But for those of you that might be a little clumsy like me, we have this little necklace attachment. You attach this to the camera and this to this necklace. And even if the magnetic force were to pull apart, your camera is not going anywhere. And thanks to this, I thankfully didn't lose my camera at Kentucky Kingdom one time. And last but not least, for all those who love doing sports and high impact stuff like bike riding, drift biking, or I don't really know, I don't really do that type of stuff. You're able to attach this attachment to a hat, meaning you're able to do some more hands-free POV shots. My brother actually really loves this attachment and is always stealing it from me, so it took me a little second to find it this morning. Other than recording, we always need to have good quality sound. So let me introduce the Boya Magic AI Transformable Wireless Microphone. Like any broadcast student, I always need to have something in my hand. Like, as you can see, I talk a lot with my hands. This is one of the best microphones I have ever found. It also comes with noise canceling built-in feature. And if you think you just have one microphone, other than having two wind attachments, you open this compartment up and you actually come with two mini microphones that have clips and magnets to attach anywhere. They also come with their own little for the wind. So cute. Oops. And then to be able to connect it to any device, it comes with a USB-C, the old iPhone output, and this transmitter to attach to any camera with this little wire. What's also super cool is that these magnetically connect to the microphone so you never lose them. Absolutely amazing. So other than the camera and a little microphone, you don't need to have an actual expensive big camera. Your phone works just as well. This is my Galaxy S25 Plus with 512 gigabytes of storage because you know girlie's always recording and needs her storage. The 4 top apps that I'm always using are the Insta360 app to download, view, and edit my stuff from the camera. But I've also loved using the Local Send app, which allows me to send videos and photos from my Samsung phone to my Apple computer without lessening the quality. I've also loved using the Prompter Pal app, which allows you to add a little script on your screen and read it as you're recording the videos. So it doesn't look a little awkward like you're looking down and into actually reading something. Because if you have the app and reading on your screen, no one would be none the wiser. And lastly, to edit, there's a lot of really good editing softwares out there for phones. But since I do most of my videos for social media, I've loved using the TikTok Studio app, allowing me to upload the videos directly to TikTok, and then I'll do Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys maybe have learned a little bit about how you are able to make your little travel video kit. I'm Tanya Vergara-Gongora, and this is Exploring the Unknown.